Hello Pisces, welcome to Happy Soul Journey. And before starting your reading, let me tell you a few things. That please look out for your sun, moon and rising sign. If you don't know your sun, moon and rising sign, I'll put the link of astrocafe.com in the description box. You can go there and put your information and you can get all the things. Okay. Link for all the zodiac signs for the May month will be in the description box below, so you don't have to go and find your sun, moon or rising sign anywhere. After that, if you want a personal reading, there is a 50% offer which is going on for the May month on high demand due to COVID situation. People are facing financial crisis, so if you still they want to have a reading for your mental clarity. So if you want to have a reading with me, you can have that at 50% off every reading, all the readings. Okay, and all the information other you can watch out on my website. Plus you can win a free reading with me. So process is very simple. You can look out for the process in the description box below. Okay, so that was the announcement. So let's start your reading, Pisces. First of all, Pisces, what's your energy? Your energy is Emperor. Ooh, you're just sitting on your throne. You know your importance. You're just not budging. You know what you're capable of, and you know your potential. You are doing your work that Emperor do, taking care of the stuffs. And yeah, so you are in your whole power, but you're not moving for anyone. You're not taking effort for any other person. Whatever you are doing, it's all for you. Okay, it's all for your desires, what you want to see in front of you, what you want to create, what you want to have. It's all you. Okay, your energy is very internally oriented, but your counterpart, it could be a part of you, or it could be, if you have a partner, committed relationship, then this is that person. But if you're single, then this is the aspect of you, the Empress. Empress is nurturing the side of nurturing your side and trying to make the best out of the feminine side, which will not just give you abundance in a physical manner, but also give you emotional abundance. So you are getting a support from a partner or an internal support from your own self, from the feminine energy that is inside you. Okay, so you're getting a support basically for your further growth. Okay, for the further growth of King of Pentacles. If this is someone else, then you are becoming a King of Pentacles, and this person will support you in becoming a King of Pentacles. Secondly, this person could be a motherly energy, older sister, someone who's very nurturing, very supportive. Okay, Pisces, so you are basically getting the support. That's it. That's the thing for the first line. Then the second line is talking about that the things that you did and things that you thought will give you and bring you peace, accomplishment, a pathway out of a struggle, that may lead you to a little bit of internal conflict. It's not so much of physical, but it's a lot mental. Like, you will feel like a loser. You will feel in a way like you lost something very important. You lost an opportunity or that kind of stuff. A betrayal also could be there, that someone cheated on you. You thought something is good, something is awesome, something will bring you peace and good stuff, but it was not like that, and now you're trying to find the way out of it. Okay, so what's the way out of it? It's called reverse engineering. So the place where you reached, now try to think why you reached there. What wrong you did? What's the defect in the procedure or decision that you made that you reached there? Because like after, I'm seeing that after 3 of Wands, it's 2 of Wands. Like waiting for the abundance, waiting for the results. You will reach a two of wands situation where you are making a decision. Okay. Now, that's being said, don't try to put yourself in a decisive mode just because you think that you have failed. Are you getting me? Don't think, if you have just like impossible expectation out of something, and if you didn't achieve that, then that doesn't mean you have failed. So just remind yourself that, the thing that you want to reach and the time that you're allotting for that thing, it should be like something realistic should be there. Okay, don't be in your in fantasies, because if you do that, you will do a self-sabotage and you will feel that you have lost it, and whatever you did, it is not coming to fruition. You are not growing, you are not getting it. Because from the perspective I'm seeing, you are actually growing, and what the growth is happening, it's actually a growth which is happening. It's not like you are unable to see this thing. You just see this thing as a page of pentacle, like this is the initial thing. No. You reach there, you stay there, and you will explore more, and you will go the distance. So be very fair with you, that what kind of unrealistic expectation you are putting on you. Okay, don't be in so much of arrogancy or fantasy, or don't put unrealistic expectation on you or some other person. Okay, don't beat someone for like some small efforts. Like don't get angry with someone because they didn't do this small stuffs. Just look at the big thing, that what that person has done for you, how that person treated you in a big picture, how that person supported you, how that business gave you give you a sense of passion, how the business gave you a sense of security, how that business helped you, how something helped you. Look at that thing as a big picture. Don't don't put overestimation of your expectation onto something or someone, because whatever you are doing right now, in whichever thing you're involved in, it could be person, it could be the work you are, like whatever, everything you are involved in right now, it is taking you towards the growth, towards the status of King of Pentacles. This is also husband energy, so could be like a good spouse, becoming a good spouse, getting a good spouse, or having someone very supportive, very like caring, nurturing, financially supportive. Don't put unnecessary expectation onto someone, onto you, onto everything, because whatever you involve in, it will go the distance. It will bring you a lot of good results. So don't this is not a time to compare yourself. This is not the time to go for like I did right or wrong, what I'm doing is right or wrong, because what you are doing, give yourself some time. Okay, at least two months, at least 2 to 3 months, give yourself that much of time. I feel you will see the results very soon, very soon. Okay, till the June, or at least till the October, you will see the results of what you are doing. But don't back down, don't feel failure, don't feel hurt, because it's not actually a hurt, it's just you have made that thing in your mind. And now don't tell me that I haven't made this thing in my mind, everything is so bad and so sad and all that thing, because just do the reverse engineering, then we will talk. If this is your energy, you're feeling right now that you can accomplish thing, then you can actually accomplish thing. It's just that it will take a little bit more time, and don't feel failure in the process. No, just because it is taking little longer. Okay, don't be like, this is a Aries energy, and Aries is also impatient, so don't put yourself into that impatience mode. Use the energy of Aries as a courage, as a power, as a direction, as decisive. don't use the impatience part of Aries, because that will just result you feeling like this, self-betrayal, betrayal, hurtful, all that thing. And don't try to escape the process altogether and just go in the past like, that was the right thing I was doing. This decision was all bad. No, this decision is right. What you are doing, with whom you are, it's all good. Okay? So that was the reading, Pisces. If you like it, share, subscribe. If you're new to my channel, hello, I'm Chetna, and I've already told you about the personal reading stuff, how you can win it and what kind of offer is going on. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. The weekly readings and bigger cards are also coming up. If you want me to follow on Instagram or Facebook, then you can do that. Okay, there will be a lot of stuff that I've planned. Let's see how it goes. Let's hope for the best. I love you all, Pisces. I'm Pisces, Mercury, Venus and Mars, so I can relate. Okay, bye.